Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Golden State Warriors star Stephen Curry will miss at least 1 week after he was diagnosed with a grade 1 left hamstring strain suffered in Game 1 of the team's playoff series against the Minnesota Timberwolves on Wednesday. Curry underwent an MRI on Wednesday and will be re-evaluated in 1 week, the Warriors said. While the team did not give an exact timeline for his return, it will be based on how he responds to rehab for the first muscle strain injury of his career. Stephen Curry suffered the injury during the second quarter of the Warriors' 99-88 Game 1 win, after he scored on a driving 14-foot floater with 8.43 seconds remaining in the second quarter. He could be seen grabbing at his left leg. He signaled to the bench to come out but remained in the game for 29 seconds before play was stopped. Curry then walked straight to the locker room and was rolled out shortly thereafter, finishing with 13 points in 13 minutes. A grade 1 left hamstring strain refers to a mild injury to the hamstring muscles located at the back of the thigh, on the left side of the body. This is the mildest form of muscle strain. It means that only a few muscle fibers are stretched or slightly torn. Recovery time usually takes few days or 2 weeks with proper care. With only 1 day off between each game from Game 1 to Game 5, Curry is slated to be out through at least Game 4 on Monday. A potential Game 5 on May 14 would be 8 days after the injury. Then, there's a 3-day break before a potential Game 6 on May 18, and a Game 7 would be May 20. Steve Kerr responds to an interview. Steph is universally loved and respected, and he's truly the driving force behind everything we've accomplished. Of course, there have been many important contributions. Draymond Green, Klay Thompson, and others have played huge roles. But at the heart of it all, it's Steph. He's the foundations, just like Tim Duncan was for the Spurs or Michael Jordan for the Bulls. None of this would be possible without him, and everyone knows it. The whole team gets that. There's no need to even say it out aloud. They just want to do it for him. Winning Game 1 gives the Warriors more belief that they can do so again without Curry. Kerr cited the team's elite defense, which held Houston to 89 points in Game 7 and Minnesota to 88 in Game 1, both on the road. We know what he is done, guard Brandon Kudowski said of Curry on Wednesday. The amount of things he's done for our group throughout the year, throughout these years, for this organization, everything he's kind to give to his team. We know we have his back and he's our back. We're just going to put our best forward, and we know we can win with whoever out there. Minnesota forward Jaden McDaniel said Wednesday that the Timberwolves will have to make believe that Buddy Hield, who led Golden State with 24 points, going 5 for 8 from 3 in Game 1, is Curry on the court and guard him accordingly. Just because Buddy kind of does the same as Steph. He just shoots a lot of threes, McDaniel said. I wouldn't say he's as good as Steph, but he's like Steph. I just kind of treat him how I guard Steph, just not giving him no space. Basically, being his shadow, McDaniels added it would be kind of easy to shift to recovering Hill instead of Curry. Here is the complete schedule of the series. After Game 1 in Target Center, Golden State Warriors leads the series 1-0. Game 2 will be again at Target Center on May 9, 2025, 8:30 a.m. Philippine Time or 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Game 3 will be at Chase Center, 8:30 a.m. Philippine Time, 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time. That would be on May 11, 2025. Game 4 will be on May 13, 2025. Again at Chase Center, 10 a.m. Philippine Time or 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Game 5 will be on May 15, 2025. Back to the Target Center, to be determined if necessary. Game 6 would be on May 19, 2025. Back at Chase Center, to be determined if necessary. And Game 7 would be on May 21, back to the Target Center, and to be determined if necessary. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like to help our channel grow. Thank you so much, everyone. See you in the next video.